This is the owner of MurrayPlumbing.net. These are just different emergency plumbing services, pipe leaks that obviously you can see that there's mold. This I had to redo it, flooded the whole water heater inside their house. This is the same thing. This was a drain that flooded their home. Of course, my logo, Murray Plumbing. PRV valve that went bad that I redid. And here's actually a pipe going up the wall. They screwed a screw right into the pipe instead of the stud. And it flooded their family room after they just got done painting with, and there's the